غلام Rasuul, representing district لاڑکانہ in the Pcb ڈسٹرکٹ انڈر-19 ٹورنامنٹ, has emerged as the number 1 batsman of the competition with a remarkable display of consistency and class. The talented youngster has accumulated 357 runs, including a brilliant 134, proving his ability to play long, match-defining innings under pressure. His elegant stroke play, solid technique, and hunger for big scores have made him one of the standout performers of the tournament. With performances of this caliber, غلام Rasuul has announced himself as one of the brightest batting talents in age group cricket and a strong contender for higher honours in the future.